My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called MZLFF. This is the ransomware targeting many Windows computers today. My video, though, will be solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. My video is only for the educational purposes. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open the files without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, because of these vulnerabilities in the system, this MZLFF ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. The ransomware appends this special locked extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note, which is actually titled as MZLFF ransomware. The very ransom note itself is in Russian. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. To remove the ransomware, I recommend you to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.